And until there's a real global change that we all have to do, we're not really willing to do that. And they can do customized training for us, but it's ridiculously expensive. And I don't know that they could do it any faster than I can, especially with this. Well, we need a good thing, because most of it's set up. You can make it your own, and so a lot of their tutorials, they call it different things than we do, and we could match them, but there's a lot of global changes that we'll have to make, which will make our professors kind of nuts. And I want to do some micro learning things, and I hate to say it, but LMSs aren't the best at making trainings. I don't know why. It's like, but you guys are in the training business. Why is your training so bad? It's like, maybe you should hire an instructional designer, you think? Maybe.
Or use iorad. I don't know.
Yeah.